This is not a story about perfection. This is not a story about overnight success. This is a story about what actually worked. Because let's be honest, there's a lot of noise out there. Get rich quick. Make money while you sleep instantly. Do this one trick and change your life. But most of that, it doesn't work. So today, I want to tell you the truth. Not the glamorous version, not the filtered highlight reel, but the real, tested, sometimes boring, yet powerful steps that actually worked. First, consistency beat motivation. I didn't feel inspired every day. There were days I was tired, distracted, even doubtful. But I showed up anyway. Because success didn't come from one big moment, it came from small actions, repeated daily. Posting when no one was watching, learning when progress felt slow, trying again after failing. That's what worked. Second, focus beat multitasking. At one point, I tried everything. Multiple ideas, multiple projects, multiple directions. And you know what happened? Nothing grew. Because when you split your energy, you slow your progress. But when I focused on one skill, one goal, one path, everything started to change. Clarity creates momentum, and momentum creates results. Third, skills paid more than shortcuts. I stopped chasing fast money, and I started building real value. I learned, I practiced, I improved. Because skills don't disappear, they compound, and over time, those skills turned into income, opportunities, confidence, freedom. That's what worked. Fourth, patience outperformed pressure. We live in a world that wants results now, but real growth, it takes time. There were moments I felt behind, moments I questioned everything, but I kept going. Because the truth is, what takes longer often lasts longer, and what lasts longer changes your life. Fifth, taking action beat overthinking. I didn't wait until everything was perfect. I didn't wait until I knew everything. I started. And yes, I made mistakes, a lot of them. But every mistake taught me something. Every step forward made me stronger. You don't need perfect plans. You need imperfect action. That's what worked. So if you're watching this and wondering, what should I do? Here's your answer. Start small. Stay consistent. Focus deeply. Build real skills. Be patient. And take action again and again. Because success isn't about doing everything. It's about doing the right things long enough. And one day, you won't just be dreaming about progress. You'll be living it. Because now you know not what sounds good, but what actually works.